Shakira! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest night in football history. The lights are brighter, the dreams are bigger, the world is watching. Tonight, 11 warriors carry the hopes of millions. Unai Simon, Pau Kubasi, Marco Curella, Rodri, Dani Olmo, Mikel Oyarzabal, Nico Williams. Raise your flags, raise your voices. This is the World Cup final. Spain, this is your moment. Oh yeah, yeah. From the streets of Madrid to the shores of Barcelona, every heartbeat echoes with one unforgettable dream. Children wear the colors with pride upon their shoulders. Families gather together, believing in impossible things. The stadium shakes beneath the million hopeful voices. Every heartbeat moves in perfect harmony tonight. No fear remains inside us, only courage, faith, and fire. Because champions are not born by chance, they rise when destiny calls their name. Victory on our shoulders, we carry every dream. One nation, one heartbeat, one unstoppable team. Raise your hands into the sky, let the whole world hear us sing. Spain forever rising, together we are kings. Oh, one dream, one fire, one victory tonight. Hey! Ha, ha, ha! Lamine dances through defenders like the wind across the ocean. Every touch ignites the stadium into thunderous applause. Nico flies with fearless speed, breaking every line before him, leaving only hope behind for those who dare to chase. Oyarzabal stands with fearless confidence, ready for the moment heroes always dream about. Rodri controls the rhythm, Fabian paints the perfect picture, while Dani Olmo turns imagination into magic. Every pass becomes a promise, every movement writes another page of history. Tonight, the dream belongs to everyone. Victory on our shoulders, we carry every dream. One nation, one heartbeat, one unstoppable team. Raise your hands into the sky, let the whole world hear us sing. Spain forever rising, together we are kings. Oh, one dream, one fire, one victory tonight. Hey, hey, hey! Kubasi stands like a mountain, fearless in every challenge. Laporte guards the fortress, never letting hope disappear. Pedro races down the right side, Cucurella answers from the left, building bridges toward another glorious attack. Behind them stands Unai Simon, calm beneath impossible pressure, making every save with the heart of a champion. The final whistle is not yet arrived, but every soul already believes. Tonight we fight together, tonight we rise together, tonight we carry victory upon our shoulders. Victory on our shoulders, we carry every dream. One nation, one heartbeat, one unstoppable team. Raise your hands into the sky, let the whole world hear us sing. Spain forever rising, forever believing, forever united, champions forever, World Cup forever, Spain forever, Spain forever. Woo! The trophy shines beneath the stadium lights, calling every warrior to give everything. Every drop of sweat, every sacrifice, every dream has led to this single moment. The world may remember the score, but history remembers the heart. Champions are those who refuse to give up, who keep believing, even when the night is darkest. Our colors fly higher than ever, our spirit burns brighter than ever, and nothing more than football. This is unity. This is hope.